Thanks for watching, everybody. It's my 2009 KTM 450 XC. I'll tell you the story on this. So, like I said in some prior videos, I want to race, do some GNCCs. Definitely the 24-hour Perry Mountain Challenge next year. I mean, there's just some serious riding I want to do. And despite my overall financial and living situation and my daily driver vehicle situation, all of which suck pretty damn bad actually, I went ahead and bought this. I got it for $2,650. It ran absolutely great when I went to go test ride it. I knew it would probably need some work, of course, fork seals, all that kind of stuff. I mean, I expected that. The owner said he just had something done with the valves, but he said he's not mechanically inclined and he didn't know, but it's just something done with the valves. Well, anyhow, long story short, I got it, did a oil change, before I even rode it. I did an oil change and, checked everything and made sure it would be good to ride. And I even put it on a, maybe you can see it in there. Well, anyhow, there's the thermostat, or thermometer, I guess you could say. I put a Tusk radiator fan on it, and I took it out to go riding, and 15 minutes later, it was making all kinds of noise and running out of power and backfiring. And so I got it back to where I was parked and pulled the cam cover off, and both cams were just wiped out. Probably all four of the little followers. I haven't taken it any further apart, so I have not ridden it since then. I bought it and got 15 minutes out of it, and well, I mean, total of probably 45 minutes, on account of it started making noise about 15 minutes into riding, and by then I was pretty much lost. So I did ride it. I mean, I did manage to ride it all the way back to where I was, staging area, and but in that time it just got noisier and noisier and had no power. So it went from running great 100%, it seemed to me at least, and to trash in hardly any time. So, which brings me to what I'm gonna do with it. Well, I want to build it into the baddest dirt bike I've ever had, and I've had a lot of dirt bikes. I guess the next baddest bike I had would have, as far as we're talking motocross race bikes, I bought a brand new Yamaha YZ426 back in 2002. It was the only year for the 426. I had one of those. But since then, this would be the most monstrous bike. I mean, I've had a lot of bikes since then. An XR 650L, but of course that's not, a rocket ship like these things are. So I'm gonna go ahead and tear it down, make sure the engine's 100%, do the forks and shock, and get the spring rates, get proper springs for my riding weight, and make it my bike. So well, just wanted to bring you up to date on why Survival Dirt Bikes, the YouTube channel, Survival Dirt Bikes LLC, hasn't been doing much. Well, there you have it. I've just been working nonstop, and I just am not in a living arrangement to where I have a garage and a place to work on a bike and electricity to do it. You know, I don't have that right now, so but hopefully soon. So thank you for watching.